Hey guys, so today I'll be showing you how to make Among Us from scratch. So, I'm not going to make the real game, but I'm just going to paint. First, I'll pick a backdrop. Sorry I opened, on second thought I'm going to make the sprite first. I'm just going to choose a backdrop since I accidentally, click the sprite. Like my, like my 60th project, I think. Well, you can do this, make shapes. You can do this. Okay, now let's duplicate it. Let's copy it and paste it. Seems like we need to make the oval long bigger. Okay, there. Now let's add the pack. Let's add that thing. I'm gonna paint. All I'm gonna do is paint. And build with this can. Or you can just paint, or you could just draw it. And you can also do this. You can also go pick a sprite and then redo it as Among Us. Let's ungroup them. Let's ungroup them. I'm gonna get rid of. Okay, I'm just gonna. I'm just gonna delete those. Delete. Cursed, right? Oh, I just deleted them. Okay, that's what I'm just gonna bring them back, like I did on my 60th project or something. Like I'm just gonna do this. Like it's like it's working awesome in no mask. No mask. Who picks that? I'm just gonna do the normal. Okay. Let's get started. Or if you want to have a conversation, you can just do this. You can go to the looks to drag a hello block or the text to speech. Or make it speak. Like apparently you did not hear it because of my headphones. I hope you can hear the video because I wasn't wearing my headphones. I'm just gonna bring up the volume. I'm just gonna rename this to Cat Among Us and then just rename this red to red. Okay. Yeah, you can just code this. Or you can make one this right click. Yeah. Or make it. You can just you can just code. By the way. Or you can just record a sound. Now, and that's how you make Among Us.